association has been with the Canadian National Breast Screening Study, which involved 90,000, but it's virtually 100,000 Canadian women from coast to coast who agreed to participate in a trial which would answer the question, did screening mammography save lives from breast cancer? Now, we began that trial in the full expectation that that is what we would show. After 25 years of analysis, it became very clear that it did not save lives. And this was not welcome news either to women who were afraid of breast cancer or to the radiological community that liked to administer mammograms. And I remember walking on Hoskin Avenue with Rob Davies one day, telling him how amazed I was that even the radiologists that participated in the study were prepared to condemn it noisily, even though it was their work that had been involved. It didn't puzzle Rob Davies at all. He said, well, you know, I think the Canadian beaver is a very good symbol for Canadians. When attacked, it lies on its back and bites off its balls.